Hello, movers and shakers. How the hell are you? Let me ask you, what are you doing to prepare for the moving season slowdown? Well, I'm going to give you basically 5 different steps, or 4 steps rather, about what you could do to maximize profits in the off season and get ready for it. Stay tuned. Hi guys, this is Jae Burnham, and this is the 7-Figure Moving Academy. Thank you so much for coming to my show. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Oh my goodness, we got a lot to talk about today. It's the 27th of August, 2018, as I'm making this video. That means we've got, 3-4 more days of August left, and that means September 1st is the official day where off-season starts, right? That doesn't mean you're going to stop being busy. That's just when the off-season starts. Kids are back in school. College kids are back in school. People are going to stop moving to a large degree. People are still going to move, and you can still make a lot of money, but a lot of people are going to slow back. They're not, because they don't want to move during this while their kids are in school. They don't want to move them out of school and stuff. Some people will still continue moving, and there's still a lot of profit to be made, but it is going to slow down. So I want to know what you're going to do to be prepared for that. And I want to just give you some simple advice, right? And the key word that we're going to be talking about is economize. 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 What is the word again? That's right. Economize. Right? So what does economize means? It means cut back. It means lock it up. That means stop the flow of. That means conserve the energy. Right? Conserve it. You don't want to hire anybody. You do not want to fire anybody. You don't want to move people around. You do not want to add to your budget. You do not want to increase the budget in any shape, manner, or form, except for one exception, which we'll get to. There is everything you want to do. Right now is the time to economize, right? If you have to fire somebody, obviously you got to do it, and then make sure that you hire somebody back. But that's okay. But as far as just recruitment and getting rid of guys and stuff, now's not the time. Now is to lock it down, lock everything down, right? Now's it's just, you got to do it. Okay, so let's get into what we need to do for this, right? Because we're going to be coming into a very slow period. There are some of you guys that have not even booked to move the entire friggin' month of August. There's one guy in particular. You know who I'm talking about, right? Dude, man, oh my God. This first step applies to everyone, no matter what time period, but specifically for this time period, right? Right? And the word is promote / and or produce. Okay, so let's define that. As a company, you want to promote. What does promote mean? It's making things known. It's getting things out there. It's getting your name and your brand and your company seen and known. It's getting out there. Promote. Now is the time to put those dollars that you have saved over the summer period for your marketing efforts to get into those marketing efforts. Like I said before, lock everything down. Everything else, all your budget, your hiring, your firing, everything gets locked down except your marketing budget. This is the time to promote some more. Now, if we're talking about an individual, this means you produce. So whatever position you are in the moving company, if you're the chief bottle washer and everything else, then we're talking about you. But if you're lucky enough to have employees, you've got to produce as the boss, as the leader, as the owner, as the manager, whatever. But you got to get your guys, your people, your office staff, produce. Right? Keep pushing those levels, because everything should, if you keep doing the right things, promoting and producing, you're going to maintain. You should be able to help pretty closely maintain, right? Also, when I'm talking about promoting and economizing, those go together too. What I want you to do is start economizing on those things that you were using when you were flush with cash over the summer, the things that didn't really produce a high ROI, those things that brought you in customers, but not really, they were hit and miss. Economize. Get rid of them. Shut them down. Close them off. We do not want to be giving our dollars out at all. We do not want to do any kind of spending other than promotion or what it takes to actually run the business. So promote, promote, promote. The next step you need to do, and you really got to get this up in your company too. We've had a busy season. People were going. People were getting away with murder in some cases. Some things were being swept under the rug. We didn't have time to worry about the minor, banal, the minutia of problems in our company. But now is the time when you lock it down. You economize. You lock it down. You put in discipline. That's right. You're going to have to put in discipline, folks. This is the time. You promote, you promote, promote. Now you're getting in your discipline. You're getting it. You boom, 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 boom. Right? You're getting it in there. Promote, promote, promote. Stiffen discipline. Get it in there. Right? Don't just wee. Okay, good. I'm looking at my notes, so I apologize. So, right? The next thing you got to do is you got to prepare for the delivery of when you start promoting, you're going to get this, but you're also going to have time off. So what this time is now take that time to train your staff, your office staff, your financial staff, and of course your movers, how to do their jobs right. This is the time to prepare. You want to start building that organization back up. During the summer we're busy, we're going 100 miles an hour. Now's the time. Promote, promote, promote. Stiffen discipline, get into discipline, and now you want to train. You want to prepare to deliver. You want to get ready to deliver. So when the jobs do come in, boom. And that means getting the trucks prepared up. That means getting new equipment if you need new equipment. But don't be going spending a hell of a lot of money. Remember, we're in economizing, right? Economize is the key word here, right? So, of course, that is the overall theme about this. Promote, promote, promote. Stiffen discipline. Prepare to deliver. And then finally, that's what I wanted to go over. So those are the steps. So all in all, it's economize. Promote, promote, promote. Stiffen discipline. Prepare to deliver. And get it out there, folks. Just use the simple formula. Lock it down. Lock everything down. Just shut it down. Don't spend money. Don't acquire debt. Don't add to the debt. Don't hire new people. Don't fire people unless you absolutely have to. Don't buy new trucks. Don't buy anything unless you have to. This is the time to get the trucks in order, get them cleaned up, get them, maybe put some oil in them and prepare them. That's preparing to deliver, and that is part of the format, and you will need to take a little bit of money. But all in all, you're going to lock it down. Economize, promote, promote, promote. If it's an individual in the company or yourself, produce, 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 right? Stiffen discipline. That includes your own discipline. That doesn't mean getting on Facebook and just yippee-yi-yi and spending hours and hours and hours on Facebook, right? Now, don't get me wrong. Facebook is a good tool and you can use Facebook, but you got to economize. Recently I've changed my operating procedures regarding Facebook. This is just an aside. I have economized on this. I only allow myself to do an hour or two a day of social media where I'm just wasting time on Facebook. The rest of the time, if I'm on Facebook, it is utilized in finding deals, finding real estate agents so that I can email them and write them about my company, sending them information that I have set up, so that they know who I am, getting them on mailing list, promoting the real estate agents that I do, promoting their houses and sharing their houses. That's what I'm doing online. And then, of course, I'm using the internet to find my address for my direct mailings, etc., and so on. Right? But other than that, economize, lock it down. Right? If you're going to be on the social media, use it for promotion. Use it for promotion. That's okay. That's part of promote, promote, promote. Absolutely. If you want to spend 6 hours promoting your business, fine. As long as you're not using it to chit-chat about the daily drama or the fact that Donald Trump said something mean to somebody somewhere along the line or something weird like that, okay? I could really care less about you and the food you ate or the dumps you take, okay? You smell what I'm stepping in? All right, guys, so that's what I think. So, follow that formula, and you should be okay during the winter. Guys, it's not rocket science, really. Just get out there. And if you're wasting time and you're not booking jobs, that means you're not out there selling. That should be your first priority. Promote, promote, promote. Or produce, produce, produce if you're an individual. All right, guys, thank you so much. Hit the bell icon. That way you'll be informed when I do a new video and it'll pop up. Ding! Oh, Jay did a new video. Oh, I'm so amazed. Oh. Right? And of course, subscribe, because most of you guys who watch my videos don't subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. This is how my videos get disseminated. This is how they get shared, is by you guys leaving comments, giving me a thumb up or thumb down if you're a dick. You know, that's okay. I get those guys are out there. I could do the most positive video message, and I'm going to get probably 3 or 4 thumbs down. Oh, you were too positive in your video. You're a dick. You're an ah. Yeah, whatever. Go blow a goat or something. Anyway, guys, you know, just do it. Just do that. Help me out. I'm giving all this content for free. The least you can do is leave me a comment, share it, give me a thumbs up. Okay? And don't forget to share this with all your family and friends. And guys, thank you so much. Thank you for being part of the 7-Figure Moving Academy. Have a great day. Bye-bye.